Hello everybody, today I'm making Vietnamese baguette. It's called bánh mì. It's very crispy outside and soft, fluffy inside. Very yummy. Welcome to Saigoncook Travel. I am Saigoncook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. It means a lot to me. You are the reason I'm here. So the full recipe will be in the description box below. Click on the three dots and more, then it will take you there. So I have 50 grams of bread flour and 50 grams of sourdough starter. And I'm waiting the starter now. This starter on the sheet that you can see because I want to dry them later on. That's the one way to preserve the sourdough starter for future use. Now I'm weighing 50 grams of water.
Let's glue your...
This ratio is 1:1:1 because my starter is very strong, so I don't need to double flour or water anything. So I mix the water with starter first to get it going, and then now I add the flour. After I add the flour, I will cover and let it rise to double in size. Double is good or triple is better. Then now I weigh 300 grams of bread flour and the starter we make earlier, and you can see it raise up to the full cup. Normally when they make Vietnamese baguette bánh mì, they use commercial yeast and use a lot of bread supporter, but I don't. I just use salt, sugar, butter, oil, honey, and 1 egg. So right now I add in everything into the flour except the butter. When I'm almost done mixing, I will add the butter last. Okay, I leave the butter behind now, and I use a KitchenAid mixer to mix to make it easier on me. You can do it by hand, but it's hard and I'm not strong. So first I turn on speed 1 to get it going so that the flour don't fly all over the place. And I am adding the water gradually until it all mixes into a ball like so. Now I can increase the speed into speed 2 and let it go for like 4 minutes. And after that I will speed it up on speed 6 and mix it into like 2-3 minutes until it's elastic like so. And you can test it by window pane test. When you make banh mi, you need the dough very elastic, and the test is need to be when the test well. And now I'm happy with the result. So now I add the butter. Now I just need a couple minutes to mix the butter into the dough, and I will cover and let it rest until double in size. Okay, it's a little difficult for me now because I use one hand for camera. Okay, let it go, and when you see the butter disappear into the dough, then you can stop and cover. When it double inside, you take the dough and divide it into 5, and each piece I make into a ball. I set it aside and I will come back for them. So I take the first one that I did and shape it now. You can see I'm elongated them first before I roll the dough into itself to make the loaf. This is my personal experience because the dough may resist the stretching, so I kind of like reshape it first by making the elongated shape first before I roll. I let it out to do the last one, and then come back, make it into the loaf like this, and I put on the rack to proof and wait for it double in size. When they are double in size like so, I will score them. The way I score them, I make a 2/3 of the surface. That way when the springs go up, the bread will be very beautiful professional slashes. The best that you can use the bread lamb, and you can dip the lamb into water or oil to make it go smoother. After you're done and happy with the slashes, come back and spray the slashes with water thoroughly to hydrate them so that when they go in the oven, they rise up. So I preheated the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and now I add some boiling water and I put the dough inside and ready to bake. I will bake this for 12 minutes. My oven is very good. I experimented baking my bread for 75, 450, 465 degrees Fahrenheit, but they are too hot, so I use for 425 degrees. For 12 minutes. After that, I decrease the temperature to 375 and bake 10-15 minutes more, and voila, I hope you like them. Thank you for watching. I will see you soon. Bye bye.